Look at the back of this Nova Plus, NO DB9 port. So you may say the Air-700 auto start feature, that's not for my machine. And there, you are totally wrong. Let's watch. Two ways to auto-link your Air-700. The newer laser with a DB9 port, this is plug and play. No port, like this one, a 10-minute, two-wire mode. Either way, the extractor starts and stops with the laser. And by the end, you will know exactly which one is yours. Right now, plenty of shops just run the extractor all day, noisy, burning power, wearing the filters, while nothing even's cutting. Link it and it wakes up just before the laser fires. Clear the smoke after the cut, then shut itself off. Quieter shop, lower bills, and a filter that lasts longer. Newer thunderlaser, like this Titan Pro, check the back for a DB9 port marked for the fume extractor. Power everything off, take the signal cable from the box, plug one end into the Air-700 and the other into the machine. Tie it down, power up, that's the whole job. But there is the thing. This next part is the whole reason I made this video. No DB9 port does not mean no auto-link. Your older machine already has what it needs. A spare relay sitting right inside. Grab the DB9 extension cable from the box and a screwdriver. Open the housing on one hand to expose the pins. You only need two wires, the far left and the far right of the 5-pin row. Strip your two wires, and if you got a crimp terminal, add them now. It makes the next step easier. One heads up, some cable already come with just two wires inside. If so, pop the housing and skip ahead. First, let's open the side panel. Find the relay beside the wire labeled L6. Here. That's your spare fan control relay. Drop your two wires onto the empty terminal next to it and tighten them down. That's it. Same relays in the Bolt, Nova and Aurora, and even the Titan. No port required. The machine was ready for this the whole time. Good news! You don't need to drill anything to make this work. The quick route is out through the side door of an existing gap. Keep it clear of moving parts and route it away from the high voltage laser wiring. Prefer a permanent, tucked away install? Drill a proper cable hole with a rubber grommet. But it's completely optional. Either way, finish by testing start, stop and the linkage. Now the payoff. Send one job and watch. Both extractors spin up on their own before the beam even fires. They pull the smoke through the cut. Then shut themselves down a minute after. New machine, old machine, nobody touched the extractor. One quick note, fire alarm will show on the Air-700 on panel, not the laser. So glance at it now and then. So, new machine or old one, DB9 or two wires, your Air-700 now runs by itself. Quieter shop, longer filter life. One less thing to remember. Full wiring guides is in the link below. hit subscribe so you will not miss the next video. See you soon, guys!